In this video, I want to show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. So just head over to your CapCut and import the video. Let me play this sound so you can hear it. Then we go ahead to remove the sound.
As 95% of your thinking is determined by the people that you associate with.
Alright, so you can see there's a sound in this video. So what you need to do is to head over to the timeline and tap the video like I did. Okay, so come down here as you can see. Now scroll through to find the button volume. Okay, so I tap on the volume, you would see the volume ranging from 0 to 1000. So just slide that to 0 and tap the good mark. Okay, so now let's play this video to see if the sound is gone. All right, you can see that the sound is no more. Okay, another way to do that is to remove the sound or mute it is to tap the video in the timeline, and let's scroll through. Okay, when you scroll through, you will see this particular button, which is extract audio. Tap on extract audio, and you will see in the timeline that the audio of that video is now extracted. You can now tap in that, you see the extracted audio, and you delete it. You'll see that button delete. Now you see, now I can play this. Okay, so these are two ways you can either mute or remove sound from the video that you want to post in your social media. If you found this video interesting, please consider subscribing to this channel. And we have a bunch of videos in the channel that would help you in your creative journey. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.